Kevin Chester here with Coburn, Chester, and Walker. Today we're going to talk about no tax on overtime. This is one of the provisions in the tax legislation that was signed in July of 2025, commonly referred to as the One Big Beautiful Bill. First of all, what overtime is actually tax-free? Well, this applies only to hours over 40 per week, and it only applies to the premium portion of that overtime. For example, time and a half, that's common for us to call overtime, time and a half. The half is the premium, and that's what we're talking about. Also note that premiums for working weekends or holidays are not included. This is only about hours worked in excess of 40 per week. There's an annual limit. If you are single or head of household, that limit is $12,500 per year. If you're married filing jointly, the limit is $25,000. And note that this is a per return limit for joint filers, so any combination of the spouses can get to $25,000 and still get to take the full amount. Overtime above these limits remains taxable. Filing status requirement. If you're married, you must file jointly. For some reason, this benefit is not available to you if you're married and you choose to file separately. There's also an income phase out. This is based on your modified adjusted gross income. If you're married filing jointly, that phase out begins at $300,000 and then it is fully phased out at $550,000. In between, you get a partial deduction. If you're single or head of household, the phase out is from $150,000 to $275,000. So you may be asking, what is modified adjusted gross income? For most people, it is your adjusted gross income, which includes salary and wages, interest, dividends, capital gains. Likely it is your total income. There are some potential modifications, but those don't apply to very many people. So if this general information has been helpful to you, please like it, please share it, please tell your friends. Have a great day.